If you think yawning is simple, think again. Here are 5 facts about yawning that will blow your mind. Fact 1, yawns are ridiculously contagious. Just seeing someone yawn or even reading about yawning can trigger one in you. Fact 2, yawning is your brain's cooler. Overheated brain, a good yawn can actually help cool it down. Fact 3, babies yawn even in the womb. It's like they're practicing for a lifetime of yawning. Fact 4, yawning could be a social cue to escape boredom. It's like silently saying, I'd rather be in bed. And fact 5, the longest recorded yawn lasted 6 minutes. How's that for a jaw workout? Did these facts make you yawn? Share your thoughts in the comments. Hit like if you did. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-boggling facts.